You'll get to know the 7 passive income ideas that will make you rich. The millionaires are also involved in these passive income ideas, so keep watching this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Investment in index funds. Index funds represent a low-maintenance, long-term investment strategy that aligns with the performance of designated market indices. By investing in an index fund, you are essentially acquiring a share of every company represented in that index. This approach allows you to spread your investments across various assets, thereby minimizing the risks linked to holding individual stocks. An index fund represents a straightforward investment strategy that allows you to take a hands-off approach. If you're seeking long-term passive income opportunities, this could be a suitable choice for your portfolio. One of the most advantageous aspects of these passive income strategies is how easily they can be accessed. It's possible to begin your investment journey with an initial amount as low as $100, based on the platform and fund you select. The affordability of index funds positions them as an excellent option for novice investors who wish to explore the market prior to committing more substantial capital. Number 2. Consider allocating funds towards real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, provide investors with the chance to invest in income-generating property portfolios without the responsibilities of direct ownership and management of the properties. Real estate investment trusts are entities that acquire, manage, and fund properties that generate income through real estate activities. They gather funds from multiple investors and allocate a significant portion of their taxable income as dividends. REITs present an appealing opportunity for new investors seeking passive income strategies. Investing in REITs allows you to participate in the real estate market while avoiding the complexities associated with direct property ownership and management. The initial investment required for these passive income opportunities is primarily determined by the specific REIT you select and the brokerage platform you utilize. Certain platforms enable individuals to begin their investment journey with a minimum of $1,000, whereas others may necessitate a higher initial commitment, reaching $50,000 or beyond. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more passive income ideas. Number 3. Consider allocating funds to cafes. Robotic Cafe. If you are familiar with robotic cafes, it is likely that you have encountered or at least heard of cafes. Robotic Cafe. Could you clarify what you are referring to? CafesBot is an innovative robotic cafe that provides comprehensive automated solutions for coffee, tea, refreshments, and ice cream. This innovative cafe, created by VLT Robotics, leverages advanced AI and robotics technology to efficiently prepare and dispense menu items autonomously, eliminating the need for human service. Considering an investment in a CafesBot presents a compelling opportunity for generating passive income. Securing an ideal location with substantial foot traffic can lead to the opportunity for passive income through product sales, all while minimizing the need for human involvement. The CafesBot Robotic Cafe requires a significant investment, yet the potential returns are quite appealing. The initial investment required will vary based on the specific CafesBot Robotic Cafe model you choose to pursue. It would be prudent to allocate a budget in the range of $60,000 to $100,000 for this acquisition. Number 4. Consider allocating funds to automated investment platforms. Robo-advisors are automated platforms that provide investment management services with minimal human intervention. They typically use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. When considering passive income opportunities, robo-advisors can be an efficient option as they allow for hands-off investment while potentially generating returns over time. Robo-advisors serve as automated online platforms for investment management. These platforms employ sophisticated algorithms to effectively manage users' portfolios, aligning them with individual risk tolerance and financial objectives. In contrast to traditional advisors, robo-advisors operate through digital platforms, minimizing the need for human involvement in their processes. The automation of processes on these platforms makes investing both convenient and cost-effective. The investment capital you will have available is contingent upon the robo-advisor you select. The minimum capital requirement varies between $100 and $2,000. It is advisable to review the requirements of your chosen platform prior to making investments in passive income opportunities. Number 5. Consider allocating your funds to a high-yield savings account. Establishing a savings plan is crucial for financial stability. However, maintaining funds in a traditional savings account is not an effective strategy for generating passive income. One of the most effective strategies for maximizing your earnings from savings is to allocate your funds into a high-yield savings account. High-yield savings accounts are designed to provide a greater return on your deposits, typically offered by banks to help you maximize your savings potential. The interest rates they provide are significantly greater than those of conventional savings accounts. At present, high-yield savings accounts offer an annual percentage yield ranging from 2% to 5.10%. Allocating your resources in this manner can enhance the growth of your capital and create substantial avenues for passive income. This presents a more suitable choice for individuals who prefer to minimize risk in their investment strategy. A high-yield savings account offers an accessible entry point for individuals looking to grow their savings effectively. Numerous platforms offer the advantage of having no minimum deposit requirements, allowing you the flexibility to deposit any amount that suits your financial situation. It is crucial to understand that the amount you invest will ultimately influence your earnings. Number 6. Invest in a rental property. Acquiring a rental property represents a time-tested strategy for generating passive income, providing a steady stream of cash flow from tenant rent payments. This approach enables property owners to enjoy reliable monthly income while also having the opportunity to enhance their wealth through the appreciation of their properties. Investing in rental properties can yield significant tax benefits, as you may be able to deduct expenses such as mortgage interest, maintenance costs, and property management fees. For individuals aiming to enhance their passive income strategies, allocating resources to properties situated in high-demand regions with robust rental markets can yield substantial returns in the long run. Acquiring a property and leasing it to tenants allows you to generate a steady stream of monthly rental income. This offers a reliable source of passive income as the property's value increases over time. Furthermore, investing in rental properties may provide tax benefits and the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Number 7. Solar farm leasing. Leasing land for solar farms provides landowners with an opportunity to generate passive income while playing a role in advancing sustainable energy solutions. This unique opportunity offers a reliable income source through long-term lease agreements while also supporting environmental objectives by encouraging renewable energy initiatives. Solar farms demand little from landowners, offering a highly sustainable passive income opportunity. The energy company generally takes care of installation, maintenance, and operational duties, allowing for a hands-off investment approach. You enter into agreements with energy companies, allowing them to install and manage solar panels on your property. This generates a steady income stream through lease payments spanning 20 to 30 years. Low expenses if you already possess the property. The energy company usually takes care of installation and maintenance services. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the 10 signs that show you are getting rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us hit our goal of 10,000 subscribers.